What is up guys, in this video I'm going to be share with you easiest online business you can even start as a complete beginner. You do not even need any money, even if you have zero money, but you want to do something, then probably this video is absolutely for you. Okay, there is no doubt this business can really change your life because people are making millions of dollars with this business. But before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now let's jump on to the whiteboard and we are going to start. So basically how we can start the business with zero money. Exactly, a lot of I get a lot of emails that we do have only zero, we do not have any money, how we can start. So basically guys, the catch is this: today, even in this today's world, you do not even need even a single penny to start a business. So there are a lot of things you can do, and from the tomorrow I will try to provide many videos about these topics in detail as well. Okay, so basically there are many business like lead generation. In the lead generation you can just generate the leads for the local business owners, for example like plumber. Okay, or you can generate leads for real estate owners, you can generate leads for anyone else. And basically the formula is just simple, that you are going to drive traffic to their to their website, where they are going to collect their details, and thereafter if they are going to it really does not matter even if they are going to ask for they are going to pay that company for the service or not. You are going to charge them per lead amount. Okay, it can be $10, it can be $20, it can be $30, or it can be anything guys. It really does not matter. That only depends on the business model. Okay, it is very easy because even over here you do not even need a single money. What you can do, you can then just simply tell them there are a lot of things you can do in this online business. With the lead generation, there are two ways you can start with. Okay, there are two ways you can start with the lead generation business. Is the first of all, what you can do, you can tell them that, hey, would you like to spend $50 on the Facebook ads? Okay, and I will give you an ROI of at least 2 times or 1.5 times or whatever you think you can. And you can easily learn the running Facebook ads, Instagram ads, even from the YouTube, and you can take any other course for this kind of training. Okay, so now you are going to ask them that would you like to spend $50 so that I will give you an ROI of $100. And so now you are going to run the ad for them, and if you will be successful in giving them not just a ROI of $100 but $150, you are going to put in $50 and getting the $150 back, they are going to be a fan of you. Why? Just because you are over delivering. You told them that I will be giving you 2x ROI, and you gave them 3x ROI. So now they will be fan of you, and you can tell them, hey, if you want to continue this, I will be charging $1,000 monthly, $2,000. That really depends on what kind of whatever you want to charge them. Okay, because now they know that you can convert their money 2 times, 3 times, then probably they would like to pay you even $2,000, $3,000. Even some of the guys are even charging $5,000 to $10,000 just from single client. That also depends on a lot of aspects, but the catch is this: you can easily charge $500 to $2,000. Okay, you can easily charge from $500 to $2,000. Is really not a big deal. And also what you can do, the second thing you can do with the lead generation is you can charge them as per the there are 2 more ways with the lead generation. There are 2 more ways, and another way is of the lead generation, making money with the lead gen. You can do something like that you will be charging money for the every lead you are going to sell them. That could be $10 or something like that. Even the least amount people charges is $65 per lead. Okay, the least amount. And it also depends on the niche, what kind of the business niche is that, and many other things are there. And another thing you can also do them, you can tell them, for example, like I will be sending you a client and I will be charging a percentage of it. Okay, if the client is going to pay you money, I will be charging 10%, 12%. Generally everybody like to give 10 to 12%. That's okay amount because you're charging $65. Okay, and if there is any kind of the we can say at least if somebody is going to charge $1,000, you are going to get $100. Okay, and even in it's very easy that plumbers charge minimum of amount at least $500, at least $500. So you are going to get at least $50 per lead. Or you can even try this method as well, but in a lot of cases, for example, in the roofer are going to charge at least $10,000. That's some very likely they are going to charge this much amount because kind of the cost over there is high. So all of these things, after all, they are going to charge at least $10,000. So you just need to send a client, and even if they are going to pay you a 5% of the amount, still you will be at a $500, which is really not bad for just a single client you are going to send them. If you are going to send them 2 clients, you will be at $1,000. So now you can see that how easy is this, but the catch is this: you need to learn some skill, and the only skill that you need over here is running the Facebook ads over here. And in a lot of the cases, there is literally zero competition, just because guys, 90% of the local business owner do not even know what the hell is this social media marketing or whatever, how to run ads, does this ad work. They do not even know about any of the thing. So there is one of the thing, and if 90% are not even aware, then in that area nobody is going to run the ads. You will be the alone, or maybe there will be 1 or 2 maximum guys who are running ad, because there is a plumber. If you want to run ad for him, you will be kind of doing like you will be running ad in the Seattle. Let's say you are going to do a business with the Seattle plumber, then you will be probably running ads only in that specific area where the plumber is going to agree to work. Okay, so there will be absolutely no or very little competition, and probably you do not even have to put in a lot of effort. You do not need a lot of copywriting skills. You can then just simply place an ad of something like a kind of whosoever needs the plumber work or stuff like that, and then you can simply sell them lead. And that is the easy way. Now you might be thinking, how am I gonna to get the clients? There are a lot of ways to get the clients. Some of the easy ways are, you can do the cold calling. For example, for the cold calling, you can simply search over here on the Google, for example, like Seattle plumbers, and then on the Google search, I will recommend you that there are a lot of things come over there. Okay, there are a lot of things come over here. Generally, the guys who are running the ad, just be specific for them. Just be specific. Just because they have a lot of money, that means they are running ads on the Google. That means they have a lot of money to be spent. So what I will suggest, you just go and head over to these guys. Even most of these guys aren't even running the retargeting ads. So then you will not even need to spend even a very little effort you need to spend, because you can then simply run the retarget ad. Okay, most of the business owners are not even doing this stuff. As these businesses are running ads on the Google, they have a lot of money, so they can also pay you. Okay, so that is the thing you can do. And maybe this guy is also not having the Google Pixel. I'm sorry, it's the Facebook Pixel. Okay, no pixel found. As you can see, no pixel found. That means this guy is not running the retargeting ads. And with retargeting ads, you will be able to run the ads very easily, and you will be able to easily charge them $500 to an extra $1,000, just because this guy is paying a lot of money. Even maybe this guy is paying over $10 per click, $5, or at least $1 per click. So this guy can absolutely pay you money. So that is what I want to share with you with the lead generation. You can really make a lot money. And there is also a company, I do not remember their name, what the name of that company is, but they have crossed over $300 million just selling leads. Just 300. I'm not saying that you are going to get this much, you need this much big kind of money, but it's at least enough to quit your 9 to 5 job, to get out of the rat race, and then start establishing your business. That is only what I can say. And I really hope that this video has helped. If this video has helped you, drop a like on this video. Okay, and also if you want to make at least $100 a day, then check out the link in the description. check it out right now, because the training can really help you to make your first $100 as a complete beginner. It's a step-by-step, complete step-by-step training. Okay, so bye bye, cha cha, and I will see you in the next